In this video, I'm going to teach you about rational, irrational, and real numbers. And I'll show you a really good diagram at the end that can summarize this into just a few simple points to help you remember it. So if you have a problem like this that says choose which definition applies to the square root of 2. Is it a rational number, irrational number, natural number, or real number? And there's a hint here that it could be not just one, but maybe a couple of definitions apply to the square root of 2. So let's review the definitions. Real numbers are all numbers you can place on a number line. These include rational and irrational numbers. So that means whole numbers, fractions, decimals, both repeating and non-repeating. Basically any number. Rational numbers can be written as a fraction of two integers. Their decimals either terminate or repeat, so they don't go on forever, okay? If you divide the two integers, the two fractions of the integers of the two fractions, they will the decimal will either terminate or repeat, okay? So natural numbers are the counting numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Irrational numbers, those are numbers that cannot be written as a fraction of two integers. Their decimals never end and never repeat. Okay, so let's take a look at the diagram of that. Okay, so real numbers is basically all numbers. Rational numbers are can be fractions and repeating or terminating decimals. Whole numbers are your counting numbers, which start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay? So natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers. Okay? Then we have our irrational numbers, which are a subset of the real numbers. And these are numbers like pi and the square root of 2, which that never terminate. Their decimals never terminate, they just go on forever. And square root of 2 is something like that. So when you put that in a calculator, this is what you get. 1.41421, and it just keeps going on forever. It never ends. For example, if this was square root of 16, square root of 16 is 4. Well, that's, it's not a decimal that goes on forever, so it's not considered irrational, but this one is. So this is an irrational number. But real numbers include irrational numbers, so this is also a real number. It's a real irrational number. And that's all you need to know about that. And don't worry if you don't understand that, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it, and in there's a link to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, there's links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need more help on this. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.